Hi, how are you? I'm fine, thanks. And you? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Yudhishthira Education. Today I'm going to talk about greeting. Greeting is the one of the important material in English that we should master. If there is someone greet us with the sentence, how are you? We must answer, I'm fine, thanks. And you? We should ask back to your partner. If your friend asks me, how are you? I will say, I'm fine, thanks. I'm fine, thanks. But if we always answer as like this, I'm sure that's not interested. There are so many another response that more interesting than I'm fine, thanks. For example, if there is someone greet us, how are you? We can say, I'm alright. I'm alright. How are you? I'm pretty well. How are you? I'm good. How are you? I'm well. How are you? I'm really fine. How are you? I'm pretty well. How are you? I'm very well. That is how to answer the question about greeting. But if you want to make more polite in answer or in the response, you must add in the end of the sentence using the word you or and you. For example, how are you? I'm good. You? How are you? I'm pretty well. And you? How are you? I'm alright. You? How are you? I'm so good. And you? If there is an additional word you or and you in the end to ask back to someone who asks about your condition, these English sentences make more polite. You can try to practice to know the right answer, how to respond the greeting. Okay, that's all short explanation about greeting and the various response with some ways to answer or to respond the greeting. I hope with my short explanation can help you to always improve your speak English. Okay, see you next time. Bye.